personal AI assistant. Choose your language. Now select my appearance. You can choose more avatars. Okay, let's go.
Hello, my name is AiGo. Great. The application consists of multiple chat conversations with various characters, each assigned a specific role and communication style. For instance, you can share your concerns with a doctor and receive valuable advice, seek dinner ideas from a talented chef, or ask guidance and support from a psychologist. Furthermore, you have the ability to create and animate your own character, defining their Dear boss's name. I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to formally request a leave of absence from start date to end date. This request is due to personal reason, e.g., medical appointments, family obligations, personal development opportunities, etc. During my absence, I will ensure that my workload is properly delegated and all pending tasks are completed or in a manageable state. I will also provide detailed instructions and necessary documentation to any colleagues who might need to step in and cover my responsibilities. Moreover, I am available to provide support remotely if required. I understand that my leave might impose some inconvenience on the team, and I am committed to minimizing any disruption by planning and organizing my tasks in advance. I will also be reachable via email during my leave period, ensuring that any urgent matters are promptly addressed. I believe that taking this leave will be beneficial, as it will allow me to fully focus on resolving the personal matters at hand and return to work with increased energy and dedication.